Hey, welcome to the 67,000 unboxing video of the Google Pixel 5 on YouTube. This is a simple unboxing, a bit more relaxed than usual. I won't be talking too much throughout it so you can experience it yourself, but I will mention a few things here and there. Taking a look around the packaging, the box is very nice, as you would expect from Google. Okay, let's see what's inside. There it is, the Pixel 5. My first reaction to seeing the colour is I think it's really nice. The weight in it is really good. You probably didn't pick that up in the audio, but that was so satisfying. The material on the back here is quite smooth actually. It's like almost like a tile in a bathroom. My initial reaction to this is it looks really nice and it feels really good in the hand too. Let's see what else is in the box. So here we have the SIM card remover. And just some papers. Put that to the side. We have a converter here in case you want to transfer some data from an old phone. The power brick. The charging adapter is just a USB-C and not a USB. The cable we have in here is a USB-C to a USB Type-C. And that's pretty much everything in the box. The phone, the adapter, some papers and the cable. I'm not sure what else I can say. This is just a simple unboxing showing you what's inside and first impressions. I think next I might do some video and photos and compare them to the iPhone 12 that's coming out. So look forward to that. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and I'll catch you in the next one.